Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another One Cat Rocky reaction video. Today I'm watching playing Takeoff inside view because I like to watch these videos on YouTube a lot. So I decided I might as well do one because I want to. So yeah, please subscribe, comment, and more. Thanks. Let's watch. It's taking off, actually. It's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, I wonder where they're at. Are they at like Montreal or something? This is my favorite part, when you go on a plane ride. It starts shaking. I'm going on a plane ride on August 5th and I'll record it just so you guys know. Hopefully I get a lot of views. Wow, we're going pretty fast. Oh. Here we go. Wow. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. Whoa. That's high up in the sky. Wow, that's pretty high up. Are they in like New York or something? That reminds me of Ontario. Why aren't they like zoomed up on something? That's weird. Well, that was the entire video. I'm gonna record it, the entire video of it, and it's gonna hopefully get a lot of views. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a good day, and yeah, ciao.